Hello everyone, this is Mehran Vahedi and this is the inaugural video on my YouTube channel wisdombydata.com. I just launched my channel today, and this is a channel dedicated to spreading knowledge on various interesting topics including IT and data science, and also all other topics such as business, economics, career development, sociology, psychology, you name it. I'm going to create lots of videos in the upcoming weeks and months. So the topic of today's video is my Upwork profile. So I actually joined Upwork, became a freelancer on Upwork very recently, this January, and I've gained lots of success, as you can see on my profile, during the past 6 months. I've earned over $1,000. I've had 16 projects in this short time span. And I have a 98% job success score, and I'm also a top-rated freelancer. And I know this is not a lot of money, but seeing that I've done it part-time in my spare time, I think it's good residual income. And you can get this income even higher as well, depending on your effort and your skill set, obviously. So I've been on Upwork for 6 months. I recently, as I mentioned, I got their top-rated badge very recently. Before that, I had the Rising Talent badge, which had its own perks. I had 16 projects, and a couple of projects where I'm currently working on, and other projects where I received decent rating from my past clients. So I guess I'm doing pretty good. Still room for improvement, obviously, but I'm proud of my accomplishments so far. Success on Upwork isn't that difficult, but yet lots of people join Upwork and they give up after a few weeks or a few months. They write their proposals, they don't get any traction, any clients, and they give up. But that doesn't have to be the case for you, and even if you're just starting out in Upwork, you can succeed. During my next videos, which I'm going to post in the next few days, I'll provide some tips on how you can succeed in Upwork, and how you can gain success just like myself, and even get as much money as me or even more in a very short time span. That said, that concludes the video for today. Make sure you subscribe and like, and also share your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.